in attributes. This is the left attributes and this is the right attributes in options here. Okay, you can add some new attributes here, change and add new attributes, so that in future if you draw a line you can find that new attributes here, ready attributes, and you can click that thing and give that kind of shape to your line. Okay, now this next one is stretch. Stretch is it increases or decreases the line slightly at both the corners. That is what the stretch does. Angle is if you want to change the angle of this line, you can do it from here. I'll keep it as default. I'll remove both the shape first, then we'll see the other options, so it is easier for you to understand. I'll keep the corners as sharp corners, and then we'll see the angle here. Angle will increase. There is a very minor changes happening on the angles here, so that's difficult to understand because you need to zoom it, then only you can find a very slight difference, slight changes happening on the angle for this angle here. So I'll keep it as default. So these are few options here, so that is mostly it's not the changes happen here, but it's not clearly visible. Okay, for this calligraphy, stretch and angle. Okay, these are the few outline options what you have seen, outline pen options. Okay, now the next is in this object, what we'll do is to view this particular tool options, remember to select and then go to this tool option, outline pen or any other tool options here. Okay, we will see this behind fill and scale the object. Okay, now I have given all this effects on my object. This is for width, increase the width a bit. I'll keep it as 10. I'll give some outline color to it. Now what I'll do is I'll press OK, and I'll fill some color inside this. Okay, this is the color what I filled. Again I'll increase the point size of outline so that it's easier for you to understand what exactly the behind fill does. Press OK. Now you see this is the outline. See, this is the outline. See corners, what you see, the outline is actually from here. Actually, since I have increased the outline width, it is overlapping your fill area here. The half of the outline is overlapping your fill area and other half is outside the fill area. Now suppose if you want let's see what the behind fill does. If I press this behind fill and press OK, you see the half of the outline which was overlapping your fill area, now it has gone behind the fill area. So only the half which is which is outside the fill area, it has only that particular half is clearly visible. Okay, let's understand again. I'll delete the object first. I'll draw an object here first, and I'll fill some color to it, and we'll increase the outline. So this can be done, or increasing of outline can also be done from here. These are the tool options. Just increase the outline, make it 24. Okay, now you see this outline, this is the outline. Okay, this is the outline, and since I increased the outline width, half of the outline width, this is the half from here to here, this is the half of the outline, it is overlapping your fill area. This is the fill area and it is overlapping the fill area. Actually your fill area is still here, so it is overlapping this. So if I do not want this half of the outline area to overlap on my fill, what I do is go to outline pen tool, I'll click on behind fill and press OK. Okay, now your fill area is completely visible and your outline area which was overlapping your fill area has been put behind the fill area. Hope you understand. Now see, the other one is scale with object. I'll remove this behind fill first. You can remove it, or you cannot. Either you can remove it, or if you want, if you keep it, it's okay, no problem. And we'll see the next one is scale with object. Okay, now where scale with object is, suppose if I enlarge this particular, if I enlarge this thing, see, if I make it smaller, now what it does is, if the box, if I make it smaller, now what it is doing is the fill area keeps on decreasing the sizes. See, this is the fill area, it keeps decreasing its size as per you drag the object. So if I drag it more, the fill area is more visible. If you enlarge this object, the filling area is more and more visible. If you decrease the size, it keeps on disappearing. Okay, since the outline size is 24, the fill area keeps disappearing as I decrease the object size. It has completely disappeared. So I do not want this. What I want is, as I increase or decrease the object size, I want according to that, according to my increasing or decreasing of the size, I want the outline size also to happen according to my size increase or decrease. As I increase the size, the outline should also by default increase its width, and if I decrease the size, by default the outline should also decrease its width size. So if I want that, I go to this outline panel, I'll click on scale with object, I press OK. Now suppose if I decrease the size, see the outline shape, outline width, it keeps on decreasing as per my size of the object, as per the size of object. Okay, if I decrease, as I keep decreasing the object size, the outline width also keeps decreasing. See, it keeps on decreasing. And the same way, if I increase, it will increase the outline width size. So that is what the scale with object does. If I untick this, then if I decrease, the outline width remains the same, and rest of the fill area keeps changing, the object size keeps changing. So I want the outline width to change according to, I want the outline width to change according to my object. So for that, I'll click on scale with object, press OK, drag, and we will see the changes happening. See, as I increase, the outline width also increases, as I decrease, the outline width also decreases accordingly. This is scale with object.